Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to see if it's gonna get focused. Should I wear my glasses? Yeah, we'll wear the glasses. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be trying some more new stuff. Well, not very new because you know that I got this little Magic Bright complete teeth whitening kit in the mail. Well, not in the mail, I bought it from Amazon like a month ago and I still haven't used it. So since I tried self-tanning, I feel like we can be confident enough to try teeth whitening because look at my teeth are very yellow. I wash my teeth, I brush my teeth every day, use mouthwash every day, floss every day, but I think because I drink coffee as well every day, they're very stained. So it comes with this guide. I think, like, honestly, I'm like a 12. Right? Can you really tell? I think like I'm the 12. Or maybe like a 9. Maybe a 12. Because our teeth are very yellow. So we're gonna attempt to use it. I'm going to see oh, thank God I didn't throw out the instructions. So first things first, let's read the instructions. Protect lips with a vitamin E swab. So we put the vitamin E swabs, these, to protect our lips. This is a pre-molding step without water. Place tray. Okay, so first we rub our our lips with a vitamin E swab. How do you get the vitamin E swab out? Oh, you break it, right? So you put some vitamin E on our lips to protect it. That's kind of scary. Protect us from what? So let's put some on our lips. Okay. Vitamin E tastes nasty. Then step 2, practice molding the moldings into your mouth. It doesn't say which one's the top or bottom. I think they're just both the same. It says pre-molding step without water. Place tray over your teeth before placing the tray in the hot water. Okay, so I guess we practice. Suck the air out of the tray. I have a gag reflex. Ugh. Okay, I practice. Now we're gonna add this to hot water. In a small pot, bring 4, this is 4 little quotes, of water to a boil. Remove pot from the heat. Wait a few minutes until the temperature cool down. Okay, so let's go heat up some water, and then we will start this up. So have mercy on me. Let me put you right here while I put some water in the pot. I'm only putting a little bit of water so it can boil faster. I wish I had those automatic boil the water pitchers that you can heat up. So we're gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna fit it to our mouth. Lift tray, custom fitting trays. Okay, so then we just try to fit it to our mouth, and then we add the whitening gel, and then the accelerator light, and then complete the process. After cleaning each whitening session, toothbrush. So it says every other day. So we're gonna come back when our water is boiling. Okay guys, our water is boiling. Or hot. So we're gonna take it off the heat, place it right there, and let's try this out. So it says add to hot water 5 to 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yo, did you see all my lavas? I don't want them to stick. I'm gonna do it one more time. It said you can do it more than once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you hear my phone going off? Okay, this is the top part. It's kind of hard to mold your teeth into it. So I don't know how that's gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, my teeth are molded at the best as it's gonna be. Cut these little so that we can put the whitening gel. I look hella crazy. I stay looking crazy on my YouTube channel. I used to care so much, like, oh, I need to have like my makeup on, my lashes on. Now I'm like, you know what, they're gonna take me as I am. All right, please don't fall off my janky stand. So we did those steps. Now to add the whitening gel. I'm nervous. What if it hurts? Okay, I'm adding the whitening gel. Oh my god, that scared me. I'm adding the whitening gel to the tray. Ugh. That was shaking her air. Are my teeth a little lighter? Are they a little lighter? It's like burning a little. My teeth? No, but my gums. I feel like they're a little lighter. Am I tripping? How long does it say just to do it every other day? Just wash this off. I feel like my teeth are whiter. Oh my god, do I have white teeth? Do they look a little whiter, guys? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping? Maybe after the second session. That tastes nasty as F. So I felt like my teeth were right here, and now I feel like they're maybe, I don't know, maybe like a 7 or a 9, 8. That shit is nasty. I'm gonna rinse my mouth again. I'm using this what is this called? Mouthwash. That's the one I currently use. I like it. I feel like my teeth are super clean after it. Can you tell? They look a little whiter, right guys? I'm gonna try it again. And what's today? Today's Monday night. I'm gonna try to do them Wednesday night again and see if they come out a little bit, whiter, and then that will be the true test, because it says to do it every other day until you get like your results you want. Because I was just gonna do it today and be like, okay, I whiten my teeth, but so I'm going to put everything back in here. It's probably not sanitary of me to do. I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag, and then we will come back in a day and a half, all in a day, 24 hours, Wednesday night, and we will try it again. I work Wednesday. I get off at 10:30, so you might see me looking extra crusty in the next clip, in the next couple clips. So yeah, I will come back in 2 days. Well, should I? Yeah, because I feel like that's not the proper use. Like, this is my teeth after one of these, and I feel like they do look hella whiter, right? Or am I tripping? And then after the second use, we'll call it finish because I said so. And yeah, we'll see if this really works. This was only, I think, $15 or less. I'll look up the price and I'll let you know in the next clip. But I know it was super cheap. That's why I was like, wait. But the reviews are super good on Amazon, so I was convinced to buy it. So now my teeth don't burn. They're not sensitive. That's what I was scared of. My gums did burn a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna do it for the second time in a day and a half. Well, and it says every other day. So we'll do this on Wednesday night and we will see how it looks. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Well, the next night. I was supposed to wait 2 days, but I've been studying and I cannot focus anymore, so I need to take a break and let's just whiten our teeth again. Hopefully I don't hurt my teeth. So we're gonna, I saw this and I didn't do it the first time. So it's the oral deep cleaning wipe. It smells like toothpaste. A piece of it came off. Okay, let's put on our teeth whitening stuff. Packaging. Do my teeth look whiter? I feel like they do. Oh, let me turn off the water. My teeth look super white. Not super white, but they do look whiter, right? And it doesn't burn your teeth. It does feel weird on your gums and stuff. But I think this really... I'll put a clip of my teeth before and my teeth after. So yeah, this took 2 sessions, and after 2 sessions, my teeth are this light. I feel like they look hella whiter than they were, especially like my oh, your girl's feeling herself with white teeth. Oh my god, I can't wait until I do like my 3rd session or so, but I'm gonna do that probably in a couple of days so that I don't overdo it on my teeth. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you want me to try product or something that you're kind of hella sketched about, let me know because I'll do it. Because this was literally, I think, like $11. I'll check on Amazon and I'll post it. My self-tanning was 16 bucks. Like, I've never done that before, and these videos are super exciting for me. So let me know in the comments if you liked it, and subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye.